during every single day of the Trump administration. I will very simply put America first.
Joining us to discuss what this golden age means for not just the economy, but global stability, as well as whether or not Trump can actually achieve a lower cost of living, is our next guest, Richard Wolff, professor of economics emeritus at the University of Amherst, where he taught from 1973 to 2008. He is the co-founder of Democracy at Work. Welcome back, Professor Wolff. Good to see you again. Happy New Year.
Well, Happy New Year to you too, David, and thank you for inviting me. I enjoy our conversations very much.
Thank you. Let's begin with reacting to what Trump said at his speech in regards to this golden age. Take a listen and we'll react together.
We will do it at a level that nobody's ever seen before. Next, I will direct all members of my cabinet to marshal the vast powers at their disposal to defeat what was record inflation and rapidly bring down costs and prices. The inflation crisis was caused by massive overspending and escalating energy prices, and that is why today I will also declare a national energy emergency. We will drill, baby, drill. America will be a manufacturing nation once again, and we have something that no other manufacturing nation will ever have, the largest amount of oil and gas of any country on earth, and we are going to use it. We'll use it.
Okay, he wants to bring down the cost of living. He signed an executive order on reducing the cost of living.